Hello YouTube. Today we're going to go ahead and test fire the 1937 Tula Arsenal M9130. With this weapon here, this is one that was the pawn shop pickup. I will be test firing it with the Monarch Steel case 762 by 54R 185 grain slug. It is full metal jacket. We're going to go ahead and test it for accuracy. I have not actually fired this weapon. But I did set a target up here, 25 feet. I do apologize, I'm currently limited on space. I am at a friend's ranch, so this is what I have to use, unfortunately. But we can determine what we're going to get as far as accuracy with the recrowning of the barrel, as well as the capabilities of this rifle, since I went ahead and shimmed it. Now this is a sporterized one. Once again, the barrel has been cut down to 25 and actually 24 3/4 of an inch, or 3/4 of an inch rather, not 3/8. And it does have a little bit of rust. I still need to work on it, but the barrel is recrowned. I think this is going to be a better view of the crowning. It is an 11-degree target crown, and it is free floated. The barrel is free floated, you can see there. A little bit of a space here, and we're going to see how this weapon runs. The scope is indeed a 3x9 by 50mm objective lens. So I'm going to go ahead and take a moment here, and I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and I'll test fire it and let's see what it does. Stand by. Please excuse the crudity of my setup. Alright YouTube, so it looks like we have a pretty good shooter here. Based on what I'm seeing here, it's not bad. I fired a total of 10 rounds and it's grouping pretty good. A couple of shots, point of impact were, or point of aim rather, is here, but we're getting here the shots. If you can see them, do apologize for the lighting. I got one shot here and here, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 when I was aiming here directly. So the scope is probably set at about 300 yards, or even actually at about 100 yards, give or take. But you can see it's grouping pretty consistently. This was my first shot. I did aim a little low right here. Point of impact was here. So when we compare this to the M39, it's pretty much consistent. Of course, they're both shimmed, but these rings are at about 1.5 inches, so it is shooting about 3-inch group. Here's a 1/4 for measurement, so not bad for a pawn shop pickup. And I'm not sure if this is going to come out. There you go. It's probably better lighting right there. So I hope you enjoyed shooting, but yeah, that target crown definitely makes a difference in accuracy. Again, I did not shoot this weapon because it was indeed flat-faced. It didn't even have a crown. It was just completely flat, vertical, even slightly off to an angle. It was not crowned at all. I went ahead and recrowned it with that PTG 11-degree crowning tool, which is a very, very good tool. A little pricey, but you could definitely do quite a number of weapons along with some quality oil, and you'll get some very good results. But this weapon here is pretty much shooting on the money, considering for its age. And the barrel on the exterior could use a little love. I'll probably end up re-bluing that because of the some rusting. But just wanted to share this with you. And I was shooting from a rest per se, and it looks like I lost my 1/4 in either case. But here's the barrel, the end results. So need to go ahead and remove some of that rust that's coming through. But the barrel is crowned. Very, very good. Good shooter. At least just maybe take down a wild boar or something. But once again, thanks for watching, YouTube. Apologize for the crudity, but glad you're able to see and share the joy that I get out of these rifles, the Mosin-Nagant series of weapons. Thanks again for watching.